Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today? It's me, Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Esoteric Investor, Mr. Raise Your Frequency, also known as Mr. No Real Estate Investor Left Behind. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Sunday? Well, I was talking and and reminiscing about a deal that almost took my life away. In the way, in the sense that it showed me how real estate could be very, very grimy, how people could be snakes, how people could go behind you and take so hard of what you work for. Um, so look, here's where we got approved for $3.3 million on this deal that we had under contract. I'm gonna go into some stuff so you guys could see that I'm not BSing you guys. Look, it sold for 23,500,000. That's what I'm saying. It sold. I missed out on $20 million because people were grimy and were greedy and didn't want to learn. But anyways, well, maybe I'm the one that they learned. But here's the information. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna go into our systems. So we're gonna go into our Podio. So here's the property we had. All this information. Beautiful property, beautiful, beautiful. Let me show you the pictures of it, so you guys could see and grasp. You see? Show you guys. Let me get closer for you guys. Hold on. Let me get closer. Let me get closer right there. So this is the baby. This is the bad boy that almost took Mr. Alchemist's life away. But it showed me that even though I could have lost my life, it showed me that I could do it over and over and over again, because we have the system, we have the lenders, we have the products, we have everything going. Now we just need to work with more ethical people in our team, in our network. It taught us a lot of stuff. So let me go into that and log out. Let me push out. Look at that. You know, we have built relationships with some of the best lenders in the nation. That is the reason why we're able to do deals all over the nation and all over the world now. And like I said, we are an ocean full of resources that you guys could leverage us and use. You know, it's not always about us. It's about how we could help you guys make some deals happen. You know what I mean? Look at that. Mr. No Real Estate Investor Left Behind, when it came in, how many lots it was, the living space. Look at that. Contracts, proof of funds, letter, everything that we needed was here. Look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that? But like I said, if you like to know more, or want to use our team, our network, our system, our lenders, our transactional funding, our business partners, anything, hit me up, reach out to me. I sure we could help. Peace. There's no reason for us to lose our life, our hard work, for grimy people in real estate. There is ways to do it, and that is why I'm here, to be the equalizer, to take the underdog and have them a fighting chance. Because I am that underdog. I was that underdog. Let's get together and make some money. Bye.